Hey guys, today we have a complete resin kit here, and it does take 30 minutes, as you can see on top of here, to cure it. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. So out of the box, it comes with the actual resin itself. It's a pretty big bag, 2 little cups, 3 molds to actually make different kinds of molds you have here, a mixing tool, some colors. We have red, yellow, blue, black, and green, a little measure cup, little wax. The steps in the back are actually in the back of here to actually make the resin itself. Always make sure you have gloves. So it does come with 2 packs of 2 pairs of gloves for each hand. You do need gloves to use it for safety because you cannot touch the resin by itself. You do need gloves, it requires it. So let's make a batch of resin here. And for every 100 grams, you have to put 30 grams of water in it. You put gloves on before you mix it so it doesn't get on your hand.